In this video, I will show you how to insert a picture in Microsoft Excel. So click on Insert, Add Pictures. Here select this device. Add, select any picture. You can adjust the size for this picture, and once double click on it picture, or once you click on picture format. So this is the picture property. You can make changes. Picture style, color. You can remove background from picture. And these are all options. You can try it. You can crop your picture, and you can crop your picture in any shape. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.